Alright, so if you just bought a new domain from Hostinger and you are thinking of connecting it to Blogger, then today's tutorial is going to help you connect your new Hostinger domain to your Blogger blog. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is to head on to Hostinger and then locate the new domain that you just purchased on Hostinger. Alright, then you're going to click on Manage. So once you click on Manage, you're going to be taken to a page something like this. So the only thing you're going to look for is DNS and then name service. Alright, so I'm going to click on DNS and then name service. Then I'm going to scroll down, but before you do that, I want you to copy the domain that you just bought from Hostinger. Head on to Blogger, then look for custom domain. Then I want you to paste it in as www.theblogdomain.com, then save that. Now when you click on save, it wouldn't continue until you have done these settings. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I want you to head back to Hostinger and then delete all these DNS things you see over here. So you're going to delete every single thing over from this side and remove everything from there until you get a message saying not found. Alright, so once you see that, now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the type and then select CNAME. Now the moment you click on CNAME, I'm going to head on to Blogger. Then you're going to copy the destination, that is mine is ghs.google.com. Yours might be different. Alright, so I'm going to copy that and then head on to Hostinger. Alright, so once you're on Hostinger, I'm going to paste that here in the target. Alright, so in the target, that is where the ghs.google.com is. I don't know of yours, it might be different, but it might work the same way. Then at the name, you're going to enter in www, then add record. Alright, that is for the first one. Then you're going to head on again to the same thing. You're going to add another CNAME type. Alright, so CNAME, then you're going to head on to Blogger again. Alright, so right on Blogger, you're going to select this side again where it says name. So you're going to copy that. Alright, so once you have copied that, then head on to Hostinger again. Then paste that also into the name. Then the next one again for that is the destination. Let me zoom in for you to see how it looks like. Alright, so this is how it is. Alright, so at destination, you're going to copy this also. Perfect. Alright, so once you have copied that, you're going to head on to blog and Hostinger again. Then paste that also into Hostinger again. Then you're going to add record. Alright, and when you add record, the record is going to be created for you. Alright, then again, now over here says see support google.com. Yes, Blogger for some kind of support. Alright, so I'm going to click on that and it's going to take you to a page. Alright, so once you're on that page, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and then look for these DNS or these codes. Right, so with these ones, they are already in a type for you, so you're going to just copy that. So you're going to copy the first one, go to Hostinger without not changing anything, just paste it into point 2, then add record. Alright, so the moment you add record, the DNS of this record is going to be created. They are going to copy this one also again, the second one, come down, select what is here, paste it into it again, and then click on add record. You'll be told there is one that is already on it having the same record. Don't worry, just click on continue. Then do the same thing for the third one, copy the third also DNS, paste it in here, and then add record. You'll be told again, just confirm, come down again, the last one, and then you're going to copy that also, then point to again, paste it into that side, then add record. So the moment you have added all this record, I think we are done with setting up our domain on Hostinger. So you're going to go back to Blogger and you're going to click on save. If everything you did was correct, then when you click on save, it should be saved on Blogger for you. So once you click on save and you wait for a few seconds, and then depending on the internet connection, alright, so settings is updated, so the domain has been added to our Blogger blog. So you're going to click on redirect domain. Alright, then once you do that, I want you to scroll down also and then make sure you turn on the HTTPS secure kind of thing. Yes. So once you have done that, then you would have to wait for 15 to 30 minutes and for the domain to have an effect on your blog. For now, if you click on view blog, you might see it as an error. It is not an error. As time goes on, within the 15 to 30 minutes, you'll see it working.